Have you ever noticed something strange about yourself? You finally get peace in your life. No drama, no chaos, no emotional roller coaster. And instead of feeling happy, you feel uncomfortable, almost bored, almost uneasy. And somewhere deep inside, quiet thought appears. Something feels off. That's when the real question hits. Why does familiar pain feel safer than peace? Let's talk about that. Most people think pain hurts because it's painful, but that's not the full truth. Pain hurts, but unknown peace scares us because pain, at least, is familiar. You know how it feels. You know how to survive it. You know what to expect. Peace? Peace doesn't come with instructions. Think about someone who grew up around emotional chaos, arguments, unpredictable moods, walking on eggshells. That environment wasn't healthy, but it was normal. So the brain adapted. It learned this is how life works. Fast forward to adulthood, they meet someone calm, stable, emotionally available. And instead of feeling safe, they feel restless. The calm feels empty. The silence feels loud. The peace feels unfamiliar. So the brain quietly whispers, this doesn't feel right. Not because it's bad, but because it's new. Here's something important. Your brain doesn't choose what's best for you. Your brain chooses what's familiar, even if it hurts, because familiar pain feels predictable and predictability feels safe. Let's make this relatable. Pain is like that old broken chair in your house. It hurts your back, it looks terrible, it squeaks every time you sit, but you've been sitting on it for years. Someone offers you a new, soft, comfortable chair, and you say, yeah, maybe later, because the old chair hurts, but at least you know how it hurts. The new chair? What if it breaks? What if it disappoints you? So you stay with pain, not because you like suffering, but because uncertainty scares you more. This is why people go back to toxic relationships, not because they forgot how bad it was, but because the emotional pattern feels familiar. They know how to function there. They know how to overthink. They know how to wait. They know how to hope. Peace doesn't need those skills. Peace asks you to just be. And for someone raised in chaos, just being feels unsafe. Here's another uncomfortable truth. Peace removes distractions. When life is calm, you hear your thoughts more clearly, your fears, your emptiness, your unresolved wounds. Pain keeps you busy. Pain gives you something to fix, something to chase, something to worry about. Peace forces you to face yourself, and that can be terrifying. That's why some people feel anxious when things are finally okay. No fights, no drama, no problems. Their brain panics. Why is everything quiet? Because quiet feels unfamiliar. Let's add a little humor here. Some people don't want peace. They want peace with a little chaos, just for comfort, like ordering a healthy salad, but adding fries on the side.